Hello and welcome to another Trinity Stamps product close-up. This is Jess Francisco and I'm excited to share with Sympathy with you all today. This is a brand new product from the 2020 September release from Trinity Stamps. We have a gorgeous floral image that can be used all year round and some amazing sentiments that go along with that, including with sympathy, take care, healing hugs, I care about you, I miss you a whole bunch, with love and for you. This image stamps out beautifully on white cardstock and craft cardstock as well. So I wanted to show you how both of those look on the different colored cardstocks. You can go for a more rustic feel on the craft cardstock and a nice clean look on the white cardstock. Now this set does have coordinating dies as well. This is a 3-piece die set. You can use wire snips to cut apart the dies. All you'll need to do is line up the die just right, put a piece of washi tape or something similar to hold it in place, and then run it through your die cut machine of choice. This is going to give you a perfectly cut out image of your stamp. This is really great for layering cards together and making things a little more interesting and dynamic. Now you also do have a coordinating dies for the words with sympathy. Now the stamp with sympathy is one piece. You could cut this apart if you prefer, but the dies are two separate words and they cut the word out individually. You can layer those onto your card however you like best. We're going to go ahead and check out some awesome product inspiration that our team has created. I hope this inspires you guys to get crafty and get creative with sympathy. And I'll see you guys in the next product close-up.